Finding the most beautiful and poetic phrases to spike your crush's interest isn't the easiest of tasks. But hey, we can't all be Shakespeare. And interestingly enough, most attraction between two people happens way before a single word is spoken. That's right. There is a myriad of ways to get the girl of your dreams to notice you, without having to talk to her at all, well, at least at first. Check out this video to learn non-verbal tricks to attract any girl that strikes your fancy. If you haven't subscribed yet, do click the subscribe button below. Go check out my website to view today's article on how to attract women without talking. Links are available in the description below. So, let's get started. Number 1, styling is the key. Remember, attraction isn't a conscious decision, but it can be triggered by the right visual cues. Paying attention to certain aspects of your wardrobe can go a long way when you're trying to catch a girl's attention. Making an effort to show you understand trends can leave a lasting impact. After all, many women do like fashion. At the same time, you should avoid piling on every fashion trend you see. Just make sure that however you update your wardrobe you still feel like it's you. It can be quite unsettling, and even difficult, to change the way you've been dressing because it might have become part of your personality. Just remember, change can be exhilarating, too. Number 2, body language. Here's the deal, the way you move your body says a lot about how secure or insecure you are. Simply being aware of this can make your movements more appealing to a girl. And don't be afraid of being touchy, we don't mean that you should be inappropriate. But not being afraid to express emotions physically can signal warmth and comfort. After all, attraction is an emotional response. Nothing suggests insecurity more than slouchy shoulders and an inclined head. Think about doing the following actions to adjust your posture. Don't be afraid to look around the room. You might catch her eye, in which case holding her glance for a second longer can establish a connection. That's it for today. With that being said, thank you for watching.